on a short notice on a Saturday morning. I just want to mute everyone just for the sake of the recording. So yes, let's have a look at Crypto Fortune. So this started on the 6th, actually on the 5th of January, this contract was launched. So this is exactly very much the same as RainBnB. It's decentralized. No one can change anything here. The ownership has been renounced, but I want to show you that to you. I don't want to tell you all these things. This is the smart contract. It ends with 05BF2. So, but it works on the BNB network with the Binance Smart Chain, not OPBNB. And that's basically what you need for the gas fees. You are getting paid in USDT. So it's pegged to the United States dollar. And everything is recorded. It's transparent. It's immutable, meaning it's unchangeable. No one has any access to these funds except the smart contract itself. And here you can see all this activity on the smart contract. Very, very active. I want to take you through each and everything. This is investments and withdrawals and return on investment that members are claiming. So if you do not understand it, it might look too good to be true, but the smart contract cannot lie. That's the only way you can prove everything. So yes, to get a return of 3.33% is very almost unbelievable, but it's working. And let's see how does it work. So here is this smart contract is also audited. There's a live audit that you can access yourself and you can check it. You can follow it on a daily basis. This is not audited once a week or once a month. This is on a daily basis. It's audited, but you can access the smart contract yourself and look it up, everything. So I just want to stop this thing now. Once you log in, you will see that it might ask you to connect MetaMask, but it's just a programming issue that don't worry, you don't have to install MetaMask. We only work with SafePal or Token Pocket. SafePal works the best. All right, so you will enter the protocol. Once you get the link, you will press your enter protocol and then you will connect your wallet. The same process as on other smart contract platforms, but let's have a look at what is on the website, what you can see. So first of all, here you're going to enter the website itself or the application, the decentralized application. All right, let's look at it first. It's immutable, meaning no one can change it. Nobody has got access to this. The ownership has been renounced. Nobody is keeping custody of any funds. The smart contract, everything is on the smart contract. And no one, your funds, once you invest your funds, your initial investment is locked for 30 days. Each cycle is locked for 30 days. Right, the execution, there's no manual execution. You don't have to call people for withdrawals. It's all done automatically by the smart contract for you, and it works on the Binance Smart Chain. That is the payment method that we're getting paid in. So either BNB, if you do have BNB on the OPBNB network in your SafePal wallet, you can easily swap that for BNB on the smart chain, and then from there you can swap it to USDT on BNB20 network. All right, so let's have a look at here. We're going to go to the audit very shortly, but I want to show you everything is available. The smart contract address is here. It can keep popping up now. Right, you can either copy it here and go to Binance Smart Chain scan, or you can just enter it right there. Here's all the creator's address. Everything is very transparent. Then the creator has left his private key here. So don't think you can import this private key and there will be money. That was only for the creation or the launch of this smart contract. Just to prove that it was launched by that address. Right, and then there's just more about why they're using the BNB Smart Chain, and the gas fees is very low. Speed is very, it doesn't take that long as it used to be on the Binance Smart Chain anymore. It's almost very similar to OPBNB network, the layer 2 network. But yes, previously BNB Smart Chain took too long, or the gas fees were becoming too high. But recently they have made a change in the network itself. from Binance side. So those issues has been resolved. But yes, we are using the Binance Smart Chain, and then it's all in the Binance ecosystem. All right, smart contract core. That is the main thing. All these characteristics is available in this smart contract of Crypto Fortune. Right, so it's immutable. No one can make any changes to this. It's trustless execution, meaning there's no third party involved, no human beings that you need to trust that needs to pay you out. This is all managed by the smart contract. Right, it's automated and it's enforced by the codes written in the smart contract itself. Meaning that if you have invested or you invested your money, your USDT, you will get it back after 30 days. It will be released. Right, and you will, after every 24 hours, you will get your 3.33% return on your investment automatically to your wallet. Once you, I want to take you to the audit and I want to show you this. It doesn't want to stop. Okay, here's it's fully audited by Hayes. So yeah, here you can see we just crossed 1 million USDT in 11 days since this contract was launched. All right, the total number of users is 9,516 at this moment, but that's not the actual numbers. It was just when the last time that was audited. We will go to the smart contract to check all of this, the latest numbers. Right, just once a day they are auditing the smart contract. So these numbers are not 100% up to date. You need to go to the smart contract to get the correct number. But here you can see the increase since it was launched. On the, okay, this is now, it just goes 7 days old. Let's see if it changes there. Not changing there. But you can see here that the increase in the investments is 14%. Increase in total users is 12%, and then the outputs is 19%. Then, come on, man. The balance increased. The balance that remains in the smart contract increased to 3.3%. Right, so that is the available balance, but you'll see that on the smart contract, it differs from the audit report. Here, everything is recorded for you, the daily inputs and withdrawals, inputs and outputs. Obviously, people are testing and they're claiming their network rewards and their return on investment. It's a good practice to do always to put your mind at ease that everything is working. Because always when you join a new platform, you want to make sure that you can withdraw the money. And myself, I have withdrawn from the network rewards as well as from the return on investment. I've also made return on investment or reinvestments or compounding, as some people might call it. But everything is working, and this is exactly as the smart contract is written, the codes on the smart contract. So nobody can make any changes to this, but this is audited by Hayes, is the company, and the other projects that they have audited. Let's just look at other projects that they have audited. This is not a new auditing company, so they have been in the game for a couple of years already. But here you can see this contract started 11 days ago. And each and every day they are doing an audit on this, every 24 hours, right? So that is the latest numbers, and you can see it's the top project compared to all the other projects that they have audited. I just want to get, here we go. All right, let's just go back. All right, so here we are again. Right, this is Crypto Fortune DeFi. That's what CFDeFi stands for. Right, it was deployed on the 5th of January, 5:15 South African time, or actually 7:15 South African time. This is on UTC. This is England or British time. Right, there is the deployer address. Everything is transparent. It's and the transaction hash. Everything is here. Now I want you can go and take your time later on to go and read everything by yourself. But I just want to run through this very, very fast because we only have 40 minutes. Right, everything that has been put on here is very transparent. It's a return on investment plan, and they give you a warning. That's a standard warning in anything in life where you're having a return on investment program or platform. There's always a risk involved. So they are putting it up here, the gas limits and loops, a warning. Yes, it might be, but as I said, that the Binance Smart Chain has been optimized and it doesn't have that big escalation in gas fees anymore. Right, I don't have all the details or the technical details, but that is what I know now. Otherwise, all the other things are fast. There's no back loops or back doors where anybody can come into this platform and steal money or make any changes to this. Everything is recorded here. So here they're telling you that this is a high risk issue. Obviously, investing in any program or platform is high risk. I don't believe there is low, medium, or high risk. It's a risk. What do you call high risk and low risk? So a risk is a risk. So you just need to manage it and put your controls in place to manage it. Right, everything is recorded here, how the smart contract works. For every transaction, there is a fee, and most of the fees are 5%. So there's a deposit fee of 5% as well. And then there's also when you claim your principal that you have invested after 30 days, it will be released. And when you claim it, you also pay a 5% withdrawal fee for that. And all your other withdrawals, your return on investment claim that you do, if you have $5 or more, they take a 5% fee on that. And then also withdraw a network fee. When you withdraw to your wallet, there's also a 5% withdrawal fee. Right, I have tested the network reward fee withdrawal that has landed in my wallet immediately. The return on investment reward, I have reinvested that and I have withdrawn that. That was executed immediately as well. Right, let's look at the plan itself. The minimum deposit is $10. That's for you just to get in there. But $10, remember, you're going to double your money in 30 days. So either you're going to wait for another $10 or you're going to wait for more. So it's much more beneficial to yourself to invest as much as you can afford it to invest. So don't take your bread money or your rent money or those money and invest it in here. If you cannot afford to miss that money. Right. So, but you will get it back after 30 days. Then it will be released again and it will be available for you to withdraw or either to reinvest. Right. So you take back your initial investment that you have put in already after 30 days, and then you decide what you want to do after that. If you want to reinvest and start another 30-day cycle, that is up to you. Right. What we also do, what I do is I invest or reinvest or compound every $5 or above $5 that I can. But I will get to those details a bit later as well. So the minimum to invest is $10 in USDT BEP20. You just need about $1 of BNB on the Binance Smart Chain for gas fees or transaction fees for the transactions to approve them. Right, in order to deposit, you must first register on the link that will be provided to you once you decide to invest in the Crypto Fortune. The daily profit is 3.33% and the planned duration is 30 days. Now, each investment runs for a 30-day cycle. All right, remember, it's written by the codes in the smart contract. So no one can make any changes to it. No one can stop it or pause it or withdraw the money. Only you can withdraw the money, and the money will go to your connected wallet that you have registered with. So the referral rewards will also be sent to the upline or the person that referred that person. We will get to the details of the compensation plan a little bit later. All right, and the return on investment reward, you can compound that as well. And as soon as you have $5 or more, you can either choose to withdraw it or you can reinvest it to start a new 30-day cycle again. All right, but the maximum, and this is very good, the maximum for people to prevent people with lots of money to drain the system, they have included a limit for your first cycle of $500 only. You cannot invest more than $500 in one cycle, one position, basically, for the first 30 days. You can, however, have multiple accounts of $500, but that's totally up to you. There is no KYC involved in here. Right, and then after your first 30-day cycle, your initial investment will be released. You can either choose to reinvest it or you can withdraw it, or you can carry on to the next cycle of cycle 2, where the maximum is $2,000 that you can invest. Right, then after that you can only go to cycle 3, or there's only a limit on cycle up to cycle 3 where it's $5,000. After that, there's no limit for the subsequent cycles after that. That is what they tell us. So yeah, nobody has been there yet. So this contract is only 11 days old today, and that is so nobody has completed the first cycle already. All right, but as you can see from the numbers that this thing is exploding. It's over $1 million invested worldwide in more than 50 countries. We saw this morning already. All right, so let's go to the smart contract. Let me just see if there's something else that I want to explain here. Sorry for this rush, but don't have much time on the Zoom. So the minimum withdrawal is $5. Right, did I miss something here? So you must first register. We all help you with the registration. It's very basic, actually. You just need to open a new wallet in your SafePal wallet or Token Pocket, but we prefer the SafePal because it's much more user-friendly. All right, then you need to add $1 of BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. And then obviously you add the USDT, how much you want to invest. All right, although the minimum is $10, you will not benefit if you do decide to refer other people, because the first benefits that you need to qualify is you must have $20 invested yourself to benefit from the referral or the compensation plan on the referral side, the network side. So what I did, I started with $20 and I compounded, and I'm almost at $80 last night. Today, I'm sure I will go over $80. My goal is to get to 100 as soon as possible, and then obviously to 200. But on your first 30-day cycle, you cannot invest more than $500. So yes, we are testing it at this time, and everything is working perfectly at this moment. So yes, as you can see how the people are joining, the numbers are just exploding by the minute. Right, you can withdraw your return on investment profit when it is $5 minimum. You can either withdraw it or you can choose to reinvest it. There it tells you that you can compound. The amount is also $5. A 5% fee will be deducted for your withdrawals or your reinvestment. So if you invest or withdraw or reinvest $100, you will receive $95. That's just for mathematical clarity. All right, you can compound your available amount if it is above $5. The compound amount must be in multiples of $1. In other words, if you have $5.50, you can only reinvest $5. You cannot invest the 50 cents. That must be in multiples of $1. Right, then the minimum to invest is $10, but the minimum reinvestment is $5 or withdrawal. Withdrawal function receives the amount from the user. The user can withdraw or compound part or all of it for the available return on investment. Once you receive your return on investment, I just want to see where is that now. This one. The dashboard will look like this. This is mine. You can see I joined 9 days ago. All right. Today there hasn't been anything yet. I've referred a total of 12 members in this space of 9 days. Total team investment is almost $800. My own is 79. My claimable return on investment, that is your cycles, that your 3.33% is at the moment is $1. And once this reaches $5, you need to claim it here. And then you can withdraw or reinvest it. Right, then you will go to the wallet tab and it will, you can see I already withdrew or claimed 10 USDT from the return on, this is your daily income that I claimed $10 already, I reinvested it. All right, level income, this is my network referral bonus basically. You can also see it, minimum withdrawal is 5, minimum reinvest is $5. So when you claim your return on investment, it will come and show up here. Once this is more than $5 or even $5 exactly, you can enter it here and either withdraw or reinvest. And then you just need to approve it in your wallet itself and it will be executed immediately. Same with your network reward wallet. This is where you refer people that you will receive commission and it will be visible here. Once it's more than $5 or more dollars, you will be able to withdraw or reinvest, and that is done and executed immediately. So once again, your deposit, you can deposit here from this tab, and there is your withdrawal one. That will also take you to the withdrawal tab. Let's just go back here. Right, once you have activated, you can register, but if you haven't made a deposit, you will not have your link available. You first need to make a deposit of a minimum of $10, and then your link will be available for you to refer other people. If you want to do that, it is not necessary for you to refer or to recruit other people. You can purely invest here and claim your daily 3.33%. All right, for cycles up to 30 days. And here is the cycles. I'm going to show you mine. That's one I invested last night, just after 9 o'clock. Right, you can see that it hasn't, both of these I've done yesterday. So after 24 hours, this one still needs 4 hours to go, that one about 10, and then it will receive the return on investment. Right, and these are the other ones. This one's got 1 day in the cycle already, 2 days, 5 days, and then 8 days, this one. All right, so total investment is at this moment $79 for myself. I've started with 20, I added 30, then the rest is reinvestments. So you can see here, and this is from referring people and also return on investment, daily return on investment. As you saw there, I claimed already 10 USDT. So yes, it is working, it is 100% transparent, everything is clear. It's actually very, very easy now. It's not updating. Okay, your income history will come and show up here. It will show everything, your reward. This is your that you claimed, your return on investment, your level bonus. This is your referral bonus. And when people they refer people, they receive the income or the commission immediately to their wallets. So yes, what else is there I want to show you? The smart contract I said yes. Right, and here's your there is a PDF, but this is just much more easier. You'll see on you first need to have $20 to start receiving a commission, 5% from your first level, your direct basically. You receive 5% from them, 3% from their people, and then 2% from your level 3 people. Right, and once you invested yourself $50, you qualify for different, more bonuses actually. Put yourself targets there. Start at as high as you can, preferably $200 if you can, but remember you cannot invest more than $500 at the one time on one account. Right, but then every increments of $20 and then $50, there's different benefits. $100, it's also depending on what your team members invest, right? And then obviously $200 is the target for you to get to as soon as possible, right? Then you qualify for all of these up to level 20 referral bonus, right? But that's if you choose to build a team or refer other people. And then also there's other rank bonuses or incentives or fast start bonuses where you need to have a $200 deposit yourself. If you refer 5 people with $200, you get $50 reward instantly. After 7, you must do that within 7 days. If you do not qualify for this, don't worry about that. You just go to the next one or aim for the next one. The next one, you need to have $200 and you must claim, or you must get 2 people that reaches rank 1 within 15 days. If they expire, it doesn't matter. You're not losing anything. You're just missing out on the money that you could have made. But this is not compulsory. It's up to each and everyone how he wants to or she wants to run their business or promote it or not. Right? You can upgrade. You need to claim once you qualified for these rewards. You need to claim it on your back office. Which one was it? All right, it will show up here, sorry, under teams. Here you will see your level progress. First, you can see here that it's 20 out of $20 for you, your self-deposit. Then you qualify to receive bonuses 5% from level 1, 3% from level 2, and 2% from level 3. Right, then when you invested $50 yourself and you have one direct that invested $50 as well, you qualify for level 4 to level 6 bonuses as well. But at this moment, I only have people on level 2. So here you can see I failed the first rank, the first reward. I didn't qualify for that. I didn't even get one person with $200. And myself also, I don't have the 200 yet. Right, but this is still in progress. I still have 5 days left for this to achieve this rank 2. So there's nothing that is preventing me from achieving that if I choose to do that. But at the bottom, you will see your team structure. Your layer 1 is level 1. There's 10 members that are directly referred already and 2 on the level 2. So you can view them here. Or again, there's no personal details that you used when you register. So nobody knows who is who unless you physically speak to the people and know. And you can see only this person referred, and he referred 2 people already. So up until then, there's no one else yet. Right, but you can see here that what they invested, the date, the timestamp that they have registered on the smart contract, everything is clear, it's there. Right, I see we're almost running out of time here. Let's quickly run through the smart contract and I will give a chance for people to ask questions. Right. The ownership has been renounced. Here is the proof of that. Let's go to the smart contract. And this you can come and check yourself in your own time as well. You can go to the website. There is the contract. Well, we already went to the contract. But here you can see that this is the current balance in the smart contract, $707,000. Right. Because of that's 705 according to the audit. So it's not very far out, but yes, 707. Here's the live data. Let's just update it. 3 seconds ago, someone deposited again. Let's go to token transfers. You will see the amounts. That deposit 9 seconds ago was $18, $360. You can see people are they are not playing around here. So there's deposit of 280, deposit of 360, and also this is a healthy contract because people are withdrawing money and it's done instantly. It's not, you don't wait for a day or an hour or a week. There's no email confirmation or anything like that. It's by the press of the button. You claim or you withdraw your your profits, and it gets paid to you immediately once you approve the transaction. Right, there is another 360, 1 minute ago was deposited 360. So it's a very active smart contract. Right now, the big question is how is it able to pay the 3.3% on a daily basis. I'm not going to go through all these, most of these things we discussed already. Right, it's 100% verified, 100% transparent, smart contract automation, no manual interference from any human beings here. There's no admin controller. We are the people who owns the smart contract. Right, we manage, you decide how you want to manage and run your business. Right, we're already in over 50 countries this morning. So yes, the main question is how does the funds rotate? How are they able to pay out 3.33% every 24 hours for all of these almost 10,000 members? That's another thing I wanted to show you is the smart contract itself, the numbers. Let's go there quickly, and then I'll talk about that. So here you can see the smart contract code. It's written here. These codes is managing everything in this platform. Right? If we go to the read contract, you can also come and write here. In case you do not have access to the back office, read contract. Let's go. You can see that admin. It's a null address. There is nobody. It has been renounced to 0 address. Right. Let's go down to total registered users, 9,575 people that registered, but 7,812 has invested here, as basically are active members. So if you look at the, it's 9516, and here we got 9575 registered already users. Right, so the audit is not updating live. To update, to get the live numbers, you come to the smart contract and you get it there. Right, there you can trace your number here. You can look up everything. Everything is transparent. You can see how many as the position withdrawn or received or invested, and also the team and active team size as well. Everything is transparent, very clear here. Right, and then user cycles. Obviously, no one has completed cycle 1 yet. But yes, after 30 days, that will open up the first cycle of this thing. Right, everything is displayed here. It's available for anybody to come and do their own audit and check. Remember, the audit is just looking at numbers and seeing if it corresponds with what is claimed. Right, and then you can also write the contract. You can do your registration here, claim your royalties, claim your return on investment. You can deposit from here. You can update your rank. You can withdraw your return on investment, claim your return on investment. Everything that you can do in the back office, you can do here on the smart contract itself. Right, so we are almost out of time. Is there anybody that wants to ask a question? Maybe France, or I think it's Elna.
No, nothing from me, Johan.
All right. Okay, the registration process is actually very simple and easy. You just need to download if you don't have a SafePal, just create a new SafePal wallet in SafePal and then add BNB, Binance Smart Chain, and USDT BEP20. Right, and then add $1 of BNB, and then as what you choose to invest, an amount of dollar. Right, so how much you want to invest is up to you. It's totally up to you if you want to build, refer other people. But as you can see, your numbers don't lie. $1 million within 10, 11 days worldwide from not even 10,000. You saw that the figure, 7,800 members. Right, and members have already claimed, and this is what has been paid out, over $250,000 US dollars have been paid out already. All right, that's what I wanted to talk about, the rotation of the funds. Everything is rotating. So same in any business. If people don't buy the products, the company doesn't make any profit, or there's no business. It's like anything in life that is rotating. Funds come in, funds flow out. It's the simplest way I can explain it. Right? How long will this run? It will run until the people stop participating. So the prediction is at least 12 months. But yes, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Nobody knows. But do not take your life savings and put it in here. Please, I did not encourage anyone to do that. And I do not encourage anyone to do that. But as within life, anything there is a risk involved, please make an informed decision. If there's any questions, anything that you want to ask it. But also, yes, be responsible for what you do. All right, if there's no answers or questions, then I think you can just reach out on the WhatsApp group. The links are there. It is available. All the systems are there. I will make some videos on how to register and all those things as we go. There are already videos on withdrawal proof and everything like that. So yes, I thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Johan. Bye.
Middag julle.
Dankie.
Bye, Frans.